Good morning, everybody. Hey, just wanted to give you a little heads up on what happened yesterday. We had a little microburst come through, brought some wind and rain, and figured I'd just kind of show you what's going on here. This, of course, is the stump that got pulled up with the tree. Yeah, and another tree down over there, trees and stuff over here. Whacked the side of the arena. We got a big old mess. I got fences down. I got this corner fence here went down. There's more fencing down over there. That thing was dead already. We got trees down. It was crazy weather. Absolutely insane weather. There's the root ball on that tree. Yeah. So needless to say, we'll have a little bit of work to do here for the next couple weeks, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.